Welcome back. If saving thousands for a down payment has prevented you from buying a home and you think you still need that 20% down, good news. You don't need any down payment, thanks to Kathleen O'Loughlin. She offers a 100% financing and grants for everyone. I feel like we should do the Oprah, everyone, you know, just like that. But this is exclusive to you, right? I mean,
this is an Envoy product.
That's awesome. So tell us about that. Are there major restrictions?
Absolutely not. And Envoy went out and listened to what was stopping people from buying a home. And it's always that down payment. You know, it's just... and people think I need 20% down. It's that down payment that stops them. So they went out and they did research and came up with the 100% loan. The best thing about it is it's not at a high interest rate. It's for everybody. It doesn't matter what your income level is.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So it's truly, like you said, Oprah, everybody.
I know. I mean, you get a loan and you get a loan. Yeah. Well, I mean, I think that is because that's a lot of money. No matter what home and what price range you're in, it's a lot of money up front to be saving and to put towards something. Because a lot of people are doing good just to make their rent right now, let alone the mortgage and then everything that goes along with it.
Right.
So I love that the research, that's how you were able to do this, obviously, right? So talk about the closing costs then. I know we're sort of going from the opposite end of it. You know, you have to then close on that loan.
So now you've come up with your down payment. How am I going to come up with the $5,000 for closing costs? So what we do with that is I have my realtor, my preferred realtors, and they'll help. They'll contribute to your closing costs. So I get people into homes all the time now for $2,000.
Oh, nice.
That's less than a deposit on you know, an apartment or whatever.
Like that. Absolutely. Okay, so in addition to that, you can help with unusual situations. Like if I'm self-employed, for instance. That's another sticky situation, but you can help with that.
Yeah, and I have 30 years experience. So people if you've been told no, I'm the person you want to call.
Absolutely.
Because we are not a bank. So sometimes if you've heard no from a bank, we can say yes. So if you have a situation where you think, and we listen to the whole financial picture, I'm going to ask you everything. I'm not just going to say, oh, I looked at your credit score, you don't apply, or you don't qualify. We're going to look at the whole picture. And even if you can't buy today, we're going to set you up so maybe you can buy in 3 months. So you need to call. Don't give up.
No, don't give up at all. Absolutely not. And your reach is outside of just Denver, too, right? You're all around Colorado.
We do the entire state. We do a lot down in Greeley, Colorado Springs. I just closed a loan in Pueblo. So, yeah, no matter where you are in Colorado, give us a call.
And for those of you who are serving our country or have served our country, you believe wholeheartedly in our veterans, and you can definitely help them.
And that's another reason why I chose this company is they have such a commitment to our veterans. They go above and beyond. So if you're a veteran, you can get in for $0 down. We can cover your closing costs. And we can go down to a 585 FICO score.
Oh, wow.
So again, if someone said no to you, call us. Let's see if we can help.
Well, and like you just said, too, you've got 30 years experience. I mean, if anyone has been said no to before, you're the girl to call. For all of your needs where this is the case. All right, this sounds amazing. We've talked about all of this stuff, but when you think about doing all this, when we go through the list of all the things you can help them with, right there's the number, you also have to understand that it doesn't take a long time to get through these loans.
No. Everybody says, oh, well, then how, you know, well, I want to close. I want to be in before Christmas. This is a normal loan. We underwrite it. We fund it. We do everything. We process that loan. So it's a 30-day close.
Yes.
It's a 30-day close. So you can be in for Christmas. You can be in for the holidays still.
Can you imagine that?
Yeah.
You can be in a new home by Christmas. See, that is what everyone wants to do. All right, so you're talking, in addition to buying a new home, there's also refinancing. And so maybe people are in a home right now that they're looking at their statement going, oh, this isn't working for me.
And the fastest way to lower your payment is to get rid of that mortgage insurance.
Oh, yes.
So we can refinance you, get rid of your mortgage insurance, maybe pay off some of your debts. So it's still, people, you know, interest rates have increased, but it doesn't mean that it's still not better for you to refinance. If you're paying mortgage insurance, it's not tax deductible.
Yeah, I know. But it's sometimes necessary, especially for first-time home buyers, things like that. It's just necessary. But if you've been in that home, you got a little equity.
Get rid of it. Get rid of it.
It can save you hundreds of dollars a month a lot of times. Plus, you know, again, I hate to keep doing this, but 30 years of experience means you have seen just about everything.
You know, and I'll tell you if it's not a good idea. I'm not just going to refund. I'll tell you this isn't a good idea.
Well, that's because you
Yes.
are, and you get a loan, and you get a loan.
Everybody gets a loan. Everybody gets a house. You get a house, you get a house, you get a house.
For details about homebuyer grants to put towards a down payment, you call this number, 303-669-2111. Both English and Spanish are spoken, and with 30 years experience and one of Colorado's top Chaffa loan lenders, Kathleen helps with unusual situations like self-employed borrowers. Veterans looking to buy a home, go ahead and give Kathleen a call. Apply and learn more online at kohomeloans.com. She paid for today's appearance. Keep it here.